Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So today in this video, I'll be showing you all how to make money online as an English teacher. So if you really know English, you can talk in English fluently, then you can make money out of it. Now without dragging a bit, I'll be showing you the website now. Now this is the website guys. So this is ipolfish.com. But then we are not going to use this website to make money, but still we are going to use the application that is listed here in this website. Now the application name which you will be downloading it from the Play Store if you are using Android mobile. You need a mobile phone or your tablet to make money out of it. Now the app name is Paulfish, so I will be showing you, or I will leave the link down below in the description so you can download it from the Play Store. If you are interested in teaching English online in your spare time and making a living out of it, then Paulfish will be the best place to do that. You don't have any geographical restrictions here. You can fix your own hourly rate, so the salary depends upon how you are going to fix it, and you have your own schedule. Now people will be knowing about your schedule that you are posting, like whenever you are available in, they will be knowing about it and they will book appointments with you. So by this way, Paulfish is actually flexible enough to make you earn money in your free time. So here to make money in Paulfish, you have two main course programs, which is Paulfish Free Talk and Paulfish Official Kids course. So these are the two ways where you can make money from Paulfish. I'll be detailing it out in the second part of this video, but before moving on to the second part, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update or any other videos, money making videos from our channel. Now this is the app guys. Search Paulfish in your Play Store. You will be ending up in this app. Register yourself using your mobile phone. Make sure you choose the area code and register your username. Choose your gender and select a profile picture. Keep a password which is about 8 to 16 characters, having a mixed uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers and special characters, and choose your country or region. Make sure you choose your country or region which is like a permanent one. So make sure you choose correct one because changes aren't entertained here. And this is the welcome message that you'll be getting, which is from insisting you on creating your best profile or keeping a good avatar or picture, and create your written introduction which should be good, and make sure you have a lot of emojis in your introduction because Chinese students love a lot of emojis, and some other instructions that you will be doing. And this one is for your salary to be credited to your bank account. You should be either in Canada or in Thailand because out of China, if you are eligible, you will be getting your money in your bank account only if you are going to be in Canada or Thailand. So if you aren't there, if you aren't residing there, you can choose Payoneer to get paid, and these are all the standard rates, which will be like 1.5 N per minute. You can either increase or decrease according to your need, but I would prefer having it in the standard rate when you are starting out. Now these are all the personal infos that you have to fill. You have to record yourself speaking in English, and also record your video in order to complete this and complete the interview process to get into the teaching program. So the interview tips, you have to read it and then you have to apply for it. All the application process will be here. You can click on the application icon in your home page or home screen. So once you click through it, you'll be able to see your application status. And as I have told you earlier, these are all the schedules that you can fix. Like when you are free, you can fix it out for the whole week, so that the parents will be knowing about your schedule and they will book in advance, and you can teach online for the iPolfish official kids course. So as I have told you before, there are two major ways you can make money. One is by Polfish Free Talk and another one is Polfish official kids course. So the free talk is something like you have in your cake application where you have to keep speaking with your student or whoever have signed you. It might not be a kid, it can also be an adult. So you will be talking with them, you'll be having a conversation. It is just to build up a conversation and to make them feel free or feel encouraged to speak in English with you. So By that way, your vocabulary needn't be so great, or you don't have to speak very technical terms. You just have to be casual, like how you're speaking with your friend. And now the other one is official kids course, where the Polfish will be providing you the course materials. You don't have to do any hard work, or you don't have to prepare the course materials on yourself, because they will be providing all the materials that you have to that you need to teach them, and you have to teach them on time and taking up the videos and all the materials that they give you. Now, as you can see, these are all the small application guidelines which you have to read to give out your best application, so that you will be getting selected and approved to teach here, because you have an approval process after which you will be able to make money. Now, these are all small verification and general information that you have to give. Make sure you give a good profile picture, because that is really important and mandatory. Make sure the background of your picture is white, because they have asked for it and you have to keep it. And you can only change your rates twice a month. And also you'll be needing a TEFL certificate, which is Teach English as a Foreign Language certificate, in order to teach here. In order to even get free talk teacher or tutor certificate, you need this. This free talk will actually depend upon your student and yourself, because you don't have to stay there for an hour to get paid. Because if your student wishes to end up the call in 20 minutes, then you'll be getting paid for each minute that you have spoken with them. It depends upon the minute that you are choosing, and you are staying there and having a conversation. And you'll also be having a chat support, where you can actually send them messages while you are having a conversation. Like you can send them corrections, or you can send them any suggestions that you would wish, other than interrupting the conversation. So as you can see, the pay rate will be depending, like it will be lower in free talk and it will be higher in the kids course, official kids course. So you'll be ending up making $10 to $16 in free talk session, and you'll be making around $15 to $22 in official kids course. So it depends upon it, because the structured one will be like a virtual classroom one-on-one session with your student. So it will be more paying than your free talk, because free talk is something like a friendly conversation with your student or anyone that who picks you up when you are online. So here you don't even have the restriction in free talk, because you can start teaching right away. Clicking on start tutoring, you will be able to pick up a student, or a student will be picking you up, and you will be having a conversation. And that conversation needn't be a video call, it can also be audio. By this way, I think this is more flexible and you can make money in your spare time. Now, about the technical requirements, you don't have to have so many studio like setup. You just have a phone or a tablet where you have a camera, and along with it, you need to have a headset, and more obviously, you need a internet connection. So that's all about it, guys. If you have any other questions, you can leave it in the comments down below. You can also check out my other videos to make money online as a teacher or a tutor. It will be in the link down below or in the cards above now. So that's all about the video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and meet you all in the next video, guys. Until then, bye and thank you.